Look, what happened was we started to put the product up. I got a new business partner. I said, I'm going to show you the Neil's process to get her confidence that the process would work. And I said, we're going to identify a cheap and cheerful, one that I knew that her husband wouldn't say, who's this mad woman, why is she making us spend so much money? So I knew that I needed to have a very low price point to get her and her husband over the line. And so we identified it was a 46-cent product, 50-cent product. We did a 50-cent packaging job. We did the design for the packaging through Fiverr. We sourced the packaging from Alibaba. Our products came from Alibaba. And then we put it on the Amazon platform. We didn't do the major launch that Neil talks about. We did it carefully, working the PPC and working out the angle to find our products market. And then we had the brainwave of the grandmothers. And it was when we had the brainwave of the grandmothers that we had a turning point. We saw the volumes going up and we started to see it really kicking in Thanksgiving. And then it was like a bolting horse over Christmas to the point where we got to $32,000 turnover with this $13 product. So it was and keeping supply up was a challenge. It was a new product. We hadn't been through the Christmas run with this kind of product before. So it was quite an experience keeping the product supply up and moving it around the world. We now have a better fulfillment arrangement staged out of a company in China called China Division, who at this stage I highly recommend. They are compiling our product for us. So we're getting our packaging from one source, our manufacturer for our product from another source, and then we have a few other products that are bringing elements that we're pulling together. They are being put together at China Division, and we're also using it as a staging place because they also do storage. Their storage is cheaper than, say, in the US. So we are using China Division as a storage facility because we reached our 5,000 product limit in the US. And so in preparation for those peak periods, particularly over Christmas, we're going to be staging from China Division with sufficient product to deal with high volume.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.